Hello all, Simon Toohey here in Georgia.
Hi.
Giving some love for Dilmah this Christmas, and they've asked us to make a beautiful drink celebrating Dilmah's Earl Grey tea. And do we have a delicious drink?
We do. We do indeed.
We really do. And we're going to make it for you. Now, we're starting off with a shaker, but ours is a water bottle because no one has a shaker at home. So, we're going to do 120 ml tequila. You can use... Here it is for you. That's gonna...
You're all day.
Yeah, that's right. You can use gin, you can use vodka, you could use white rum.
Probably a white spirit.
Oh yeah, white spirit, good shout. I like that. And of course it's all about the tea. So we've got 1 sachet of Earl Grey tea. If you have the loose leaf, that's fine. But I'm just gonna take it off, cut the little tips off and then pour it in. Now the reason why I do this is because I really like a cold infusion with the tea because it releases different aromas, and as soon as you add water, of course, you're gonna dilute the drink. So we're gonna go straight in with that one. You should already smell
I
that
think that smells amazing.
tequila and Earl Grey, right? The breakfast side of things, strawberry jam. So that's about a tablespoon each, so 2 tablespoons. Let's do the maths on that one. Now, any kind of citrus works with this. You can use orange, you could use lemon, you could use lime, you could use yuzu. We're really not fussy. So some acidity, a little bit of sweetness. And what we're going to do is we're going to go, so we've got 2 tablespoons of jam. We're going to go about 4 tablespoons of lemon lime juice. Or in orange cases, probably about 6 because you want that slight acidity and orange isn't as acid. Okay, so that goes in.
Okay.
That's it. That is it. So we've got tequila, we've got Earl Grey from Dilmah, we've got orange juice, we've got jam, breakfast martini style, big chunks of ice in, and we're going to give it a shake. I'll get the glasses. That's awesome.
Teaspoon?
And then sit it this way. I'm going to go in. Look at that, we're kind of fine straining. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that.
Jammy.
Very jammy. There we go.
Good.
There we go. Look at the
Oh,
colour
hang
of
on.
that.
Garnish.
What garnish you got? That's gonna go in. You know what? They're both going. They're gonna be the same.
Look.
Thank you very much,
see
Dilmah
that.
family. Much love. Happy Christmas, everyone.
Cheers.
From our family
To yours.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.